Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix that Instagram hashtags not showing on your post. So I will show you the three methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So our first method is that you have to just open your Instagram account and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner and click on the settings. Here just click on the privacy and check that your account must not be private to show your hashtags on your post. If your account is private, then you will not be able to show your hashtags on your post, so you have to just switch your account to the public one. Doing so, your problem may be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the next method and make sure that you are not overusing the hashtags. And our second method is that you have to just make sure that your account is not shadow banned and your hashtags must be most relevant and popular to your post. So moving to the last method, you have to just click on the profile icon again and then click on the three lines and again click on the settings, and now you have to just click on the help and then click on report a problem and again click on the report problem without shaking. Click here on the include and the continue and make here a brief description about your problem. I have already write this description, so you can copy it from here, in which you have to just show that I am having problem with my hashtags that are not showing to my post, stories or the reels on Instagram. Moreover, I have no issue with my hashtags, these are real. Please solve this error as soon as possible. So I just copy this description from here and paste here. You have to just click on the send, and doing so within 24 to 48 hours you will get the response from the Instagram team and your problem will be fixed. Before moving to the end of the video, you cannot copy the hashtags of anyone, so you have to just use the real one, so it can also be the solution of your problem. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.